Hello all, welcome to Avench Systems YouTube channel. In this session, the intricate CANopen protocol is explained in a straightforward manner. Ready to dive in? CANopen is a communication protocol built on the CAN bus, specifically designed for industrial applications such as motion control, robotics, medical devices, and automotive uses. This protocol facilitates interoperability between devices' nodes and provides standardized methods for configuring devices both during and after installation. The structure of CANopen can be understood within the context of the 7-layer OSI model, where the CAN bus operates at the physical and data link layers. Understanding CANopen requires knowledge of several key concepts, including communication models, communication protocols, device states, object dictionaries, electronic data sheets, and device profiles. There are three main models for communication: the master or slave model, where a master node requests data from slave nodes; the client or server model, which facilitates data requests and responses; and the producer or consumer model, where data is broadcasted from a producer to a consumer. Central to CANopen's functionality is the ability to encode communication within CAN frames using identifiers known as communication object identifiers. There are also 7 service types used for controlling CANopen devices, including network management (NMT), process data objects (PDO), and service data objects (SDO). The object dictionary (OD) contains the parameters defining a CANopen node's behavior and is accessed via SDOs. The SDO service allows for the reading and modification of OD entries, while the PDO service serves to transmit real-time data efficiently. The transmission methods differ significantly, with SDOs being more suitable for configuration tasks and PDOs being preferred for operational data due to their minimal overhead.